We're in Fountain Hills, Arizona. We got called for a leak detection on this pool. Pretty play pool. It's a pool guy, and he told us that it's actually on the suction line. In this particular pool, you can see there is only a cleaner line and just a skimmer line. And the pool equipment, you can rotate between the skimmer and the actual cleaner line. So what we noticed that is sucking a lot more air through the actual skimmer, and the cleaner currently right now it's off, and we're starting to see quite a bit of bubbles. So we're gonna go ahead and focus on the skimmer line, and as you can see, quite a bit of bubbles. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna introduce our camera. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, there you go.
Okay, go back.
Okay, going back.
Slowly.
Going back.
Slowly.
Going back.
A little bit forward.
Forward.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Let me do it now. Should I slow down the RPM?
Yeah, you can.
Alright, or let me just the valve, right?
Mm-hmm. Just open it a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna adjust the valve.
Uh-huh.
It's halfway. Is that good? Slow it down more?
Yep, a little bit.
Alright.
I cannot see it anymore, so close it a little bit.
Keep closing it?
Go the other way.
Other way?
Uh-huh.
Opening?
Yeah. Slowly.
Okay, open.
Right there.
A little bit.
That's fine right there.
That's fine?
Yeah.
Is it the camera still
Yeah, a little bit, but
yeah. I can slow down the RPM. I'm just doing the valve.
I think I got it good right there.
That's good?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second.
So it shakes a little bit, but it should be enough to get it on camera.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Great, now that we have located the leak, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna scan to see where our camera is at. We're tracing it. Perfect. So I'm going to show you in this angle where we have the actual tracer. So let's go back here. So you can see this arrow is telling us where our camera is at. So we need to follow it. And as we get closer to the camera, we have these indicators there too. So you can see, and the camera is pretty much right there. Okay, perfect. And that's pretty much how you find a leak. Thank you so much. Have a good day.